Check my Phantom wallet, $3.1 million all from launching meme coins. No hype, no lucky gamble, just a system that prints consistently. Stick with me and I'll show you exactly how it's done. Every time I jumped into a new meme coin, I'd get dumped on, rugged, and watch my whole entire balance bleed out. Then I realized the people actually winning aren't the buyers of these coins. They're the ones launching them. Because when you launch a coin, you control the entire supply, the timing, and the story. You are not buying someone else's hype just to get rugged right after. You are actually creating it. By launching coins, you completely have nothing to lose. Because it's common sense. You are the one creating it and you are the first ever buyer in. And trust me bro, if you keep trading meme coins like you usually do, you will lose all your money. It happened to me twice. And right now, Bitcoin is at the all-time high and Solana is currently pumping. There's no better time to start launching than right now. That's exactly why into this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to launch your very first Solana meme coin and then print generational wealth. So make sure to not skip this. But obviously this video was completely made with AI and it's all for educational purposes only. So please don't copy me. Now, Pump.Fun might look simple, but trust me, it's oversaturated. Thousands of coins flood in every single minute. Your launch gets buried, buyers never even see your own coin, and you are stuck with no control over your own liquidity, even if you are in profit. That's exactly why I switched completely 100% to create token.Io. This site is completely different. You launch directly on Radium and you own 100% of your own liquidity. And your coin is instantly migrated, no waiting and no bottlenecks. When you launch the coin, it pops up right here on the Radium DEX and real buyers, real volume is kicking in right off the bat. The second you go live, it's tradable, visible, and right in front of real buyers. That's how you get traction fast without wasting any time in a crowded queue. Create tokens.io is the play to launch coins. Now when you're ready to launch your meme coin on create tokens.io, you've got two solid options. The first way to launch a coin is to actually build it from scratch. So first of all, before we head on over to the site, pick a viral narrative. Go on Twitter. Maybe it's a political moment, a trending meme, or something random that's blowing up online. Then give it a name, a ticker symbol, and upload a quick meme coin logo, hit next, and you're ready to move forward, for example. But the second method, it's my favorite one, and the most profitable one. The Copy Trending Coins tab. This section posts proven winners straight from Pump.Fun, coins already trending with real volume and attention. You just click the copy and it's instantly listed onto Radium with zero delays. And since you are cloning coins that already have traction and hype, you'll get instant buyers right off the bat and way more profit potential from the start. Both work, but copying trending coins is the play right now. Anyways, let's stop wasting time and let's launch a meme coin right now. So first of all, make sure your wallet is connected with Phantom to the site. Then refresh list, and we're gonna copy a coin that looks decent. I could copy the AIOS coin. I think I'm gonna copy the Lollipop coin. It has a last buy 3 seconds ago and a $20.4 thousand market cap. It looks juicy, and yeah, so crit coin. And ignore the warning from Phantom, it's completely normal. Every single individual is going to get the same exact warning. Confirm, confirm, I understand, confirm. Then the coin should be created, so just give it a few seconds. Boom! And if I go on SoScan, you guys will see proof that it's on chain and it's all minted. But now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is super simple. We're basically adding liquidity to the coin so people can buy your coin and sell it through Radium. Now there's two simple steps. For the amount token A, just click the 90% button. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool for the public. For the amount token B, this is your first initial buy into your own coin, so you're not losing any money. Just make sure you've got enough for that first buy. The minimum is 0.5 0.3 SOL. And remember, you'll get that SOL back later when you remove the liquidity. So I'm gonna put 0.4 SOL. Just make sure you have enough in your wallet, then create pool, and once again you will get it back later, and then click on confirm. When that's done, simply click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the sweetie coin is now live, which is lollipop coin, and our profits are currently at $0. But if you re-click on refresh once again, now our profits are at $156.3, which is extremely fucking good considering that it's been a couple seconds, which means people are actively buying our coin. Click on view on photon to see the chart, and now the coin is live. Let's go. Let me go on full screen for you guys. And boom, we're getting a shit ton of volume into our coin. Let's fucking go. Let me go on a better angle real quick. Okay, we are at a $1.4 thousand market cap, $1,000 in liquidity. Come on, pump, pump, pump. Come on, bro. I need fucking money, bro. Give me money. Come on, let's go. Pump. Let's go. Break resistance. Come on. $30, $27. By the way, these wallets aren't mine. Let's go, it's pumping. Let's fucking go. So please, bro, stop spamming that I'm faking these buys. Bro, these are actual people buying into our coin. Let's go, pump, pump, bro. This is the power of create tokens.io, bro. I am telling you. We're at a $1.8 thousand market cap. Okay, the coin just dumped a little bit, but I'm hoping for it to go back up. Let's fucking go! It's pumping! Oh, okay guys, I'm back. We are pushing $3,000 in market cap, and I think right now is my cue to cash out profits and actually make money, because that's the whole point of today's video. So to do that, come back to createtokens.io, and first of all, before we do anything at all, click on refresh. And boom, we're up $1,449 with a $2.1 thousand market cap, so it did go down. But yeah, anyways, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity. Come on. And as you guys can see, we're going to receive around 8 to 9 SOL. It does fluctuates, but click on confirm after. And boom, that's exactly how you launch a coin and make a shit ton of fucking money. If I open my Phantom wallet for proof, boom, $1.4 thousand straight inside my wallet. It's all real. Look at this. It's all fucking real. Now, before you click off and go launch a coin, if you want to win 3 SOL like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe, and join my free Telegram group down below and my Discord server. And yeah, bye.